Hello everyone. In this video, we'll see about fractions and types. Basically, fractions means a fraction represents a part of whole. Means, let me take an example. This is pizza. Okay. When we'll eat pizza, we actually divide into some parts, right? Usually there might be a 4 parts or 8 parts. So whenever we'll divide, we try to divide in equal parts, right? So dividing into equal parts is nothing but a fraction. Means this is fraction of a pizza. Means fraction represents a part of whole. This is whole pizza. Representing this slice is fraction. Just representing a slice of a pizza. So here are some examples like 1 by 2, 3 by 4. Means actually there are two parts. In that we are representing only one part. Means suppose assume this pizza only I divided into two equal parts. Whatever parts are there, no number of parts, all must be equal. This is very important. By default all are equal. Here 2 means there are two parts which are equal parts. In that only we are representing one part. Means this is a pizza, full pizza. I am dividing into two equal parts. This is two equal parts. And if I take this out, upper part, this represents 1 by 2. Means initially there were two equal parts. In that I am only picking one. What about 3 by 4? It means initially pizza was full and we divided into 4 equal parts. These are 4 equal parts, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So here I wrote 3 by 4. You can see here 3 by 4 means we divided into 4 parts. 4 parts. So 4 parts, equal parts. 4 equal parts. And in that I am taking 3 pieces. So it is 3 by 4. 3 pieces means like this, right? 1 piece, 2 piece, 3 piece. So 3 out of 4. Actually equal parts are 4. In that we are taking only 3 by 4. This is the actual meaning of fraction. Okay. And parts of fraction means basically if I write 1 by 2 means the upper part is called numerator, and below part is called denominator. Okay, two numbers will be written, right? The upper part is called as numerator, the below one is called denominator. The number above the fraction bar, this is fraction bar, above this is called a numerator and below one is called a denominator. And now comes the types of fraction. In our day-to-day life we'll use fractions unknowingly, and there are some types in which first one is a proper fraction. Basically what does mean of proper fraction? A fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator. You know which is numerator and which is denominator, right? Let me write once again. Numerator, the upper part is called as numerator, below one is denominator. Okay, suppose if I take 2 by 5, this is numerator, this is denominator. But proper fraction means we have to take only less parts from the below one. Means we divided into 5 equal parts, right? We have to take only less than 5. Whatever the parts are there in denominator, we have to take only less than the denominator. Means numerator should be less than denominator. That is the rule for proper fraction. Means if I write 4 by 5, yes, it's valid. This is proper fraction only because numerator is less than denominator. What if I wrote 4 by 4? No, this is not correct because numerator is not less than denominator. It is equal to denominator. So it is not a proper fraction. It is not. Okay, basically what is proper fraction? In which numerator is less than the denominator. Just this is the condition. Numerator is less than denominator. Example, 2 by 5. 2 is less than 5, right? 3 by 8. 3 is less than 8. 7 by 9. 7 is less than 9. These are called proper fraction. Next comes improper fraction. Here is the improper fraction. A fraction in which the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. Means opposite of proper fraction. Numerator should be greater than or equal to denominator. This is the condition. Example, 4 by 4, 5 by 4, 11 by 3, 8 by 2. In this all are greater than or equal to denominator. Here 4, so this is equal. Here it is 4, it is greater than 4, greater than 3, greater than 2. So these type of fractions are called improper fractions. Improper fractions. Okay. You can see examples here also. 7 by 5. 7 by 5. 7 is greater than 5, right? 9 by 4. 9 is greater than 4. 11 by 11. 11 is equal to 11. Okay. Then comes mixed fraction. Now only we saw improper fraction, right? 7 by 5. This means there are 7 parts, but the whole part is divided into 5 equal parts, but we are taking 7 parts. So it is little bit like not seems a valid one, right? So to make it a proper fraction, we use mixed fraction. Mixed fraction means a combination of whole number and a proper fraction. It is combination of whole number and a proper fraction. Means 7 by 5 means basically what is mean? It means there is a pizza, right? And we divided into 5 equal parts. Let me divide. These are 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And suppose assume I have another same pizza which is of same size, and even I am dividing this also into 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 by 5 means I am taking 7 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means this complete pizza. 6, 7 means 7 by 5 means this one complete pizza, which is equal to one complete pizza with extra 2 pieces of 5 parts. This is the actual meaning of mixed fraction. Converting a improper to mixed fraction. Means here you can see 2, 1 by 3. This means 2, 1 by 3 means 2 whole parts are there, and I am taking 1 part from the 3 parts. Means basically there were 3 pizzas and I divided into 3 equal parts. Each pizza divided into 3 equal parts. Let me divide. And these are divided into 3 equal parts, right? So this can be written as like 3 2s are 8, 8 plus 1, 9 by 3. Sorry, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7 by 3. Means I am taking 2 full pizzas. This means 2 full pizzas and I am taking only 1 part from 3 parts. So it means 2 full pizzas and 1 part from 3 parts. This is mixed fraction. And this also can be written in improper fraction also. Improper fraction. We can convert easily. Means here what I done to convert 7 by 5 into proper fraction, just I divided it. Means 5 ones are 5, right? It gives a 1 full part. What if I have 8 by 5? It also gives 1 full part. 5 ones are 5 means 8 minus 5. How much remaining? 3, right? So 3 by 5. Like that, 5 ones are 5 means 7 minus 5 how much gives? Remainder as 2. So 2 by 5. Means just write the quotient here, remainder here. That's it. Means if I write 11 by 4, assume. Just do the normal division. 4 how many times it will go? 4 2s are 8, right? Remainder will be 3. So just write the quotient here in whole part. Means this much whole parts we can get, and we'll get these many parts from total parts. This is the meaning of mixed fraction. Just we are dividing, that's it. What if I take 17 by 3? This means just do the normal division. 3 5s are 15, right? Remainder will be 2. Means just write the quotient in whole part. Means in this we'll get 5 whole parts and 2 parts out of 3 parts. This is the meaning. And can we convert the mixed fraction into improper? Yes, we can. Just reverse the process. Multiply these two, add this remainder. Means multiply these two and add this remainder. 3 5s are 15 plus 2, 17 by 3. That's it. Here also you can see, just multiply these two, add this one. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3, 11 by 4. You can see here, 11 by 4. Like that, mixed fraction means it is combination of whole number and a proper fraction. Here are some example: 2 1 by 3, 4 5 by 8, 7 2 by 5. This is mixed fraction. It is combination of whole number, this is whole number, and a proper fraction. This is proper fraction. Next comes unit fraction. It's simple. Unit fraction means a fraction whose numerator is 1. That's it. If we have 1 in the numerator, then that's called a unit fraction. That's it. Here you can see examples: 1 by 2, 1 by 7, 1 by 15, anything. We are just taking one part from the divided parts. That's it. And here comes like fractions, means fractions having the same denominator. Denominator should be same. Here you can see example: 2 by 9, 3 by 9, 5 by 9, anything. The denominator should be same. Like fraction means we dividing something into some equal parts and we dividing into same number of parts. Here also 9 parts, 9 parts, 9 parts. So 2 out of 9, 3 out of 9, 5 out of 9, like that. If denominator same, then that's called like fractions. Now comes unlike fractions, means opposite of like, means denominators are not same. Fractions having different denominators, like 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 5 by 6, anything. Here denominators are different, right? 2, 3, 8, like that. Here are some practice questions. Identify the numerator and denominator. As I told, upper part is numerator and below one is 12 is denominator. Solve this. Classify 3 by 8. Is it proper, improper? Which one? This is proper fraction because the numerator is less than denominator. This one, numerator is greater than equal to denominator, means improper. This one, 4 2 by 7, whole part a proper fraction, means mixed fraction. Can we convert this mixed fraction into improper? Yes, we can. As I told, just multiply these two and add this one. 4 7s are 28, 28 plus 2, 30, 30 by 7. And which of the following are like fractions? 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5. Yes, these are like because denominator is same. Denominator is same. So these are called like fractions. What about 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4? These are unlike because denominators are not same. And here are some homework questions. Please do solve and let me know the answers in the comment section. We will see in next video. Thank you.